So I'm going to show you a couple different options. This is a 50K skinny. This is a 25K skinny. But not that much different in height. This could actually be cut down deeper and hold about 30 or 35,000 if you want to put more money in it. These have a 1-inch thick lid. You were asking about the weight. So let me just show you a couple different scenarios real quick. First of all, I can make it really skinny. What we can do is we can move these bolt holes down to the ends, and I can take about half this thickness out of it and make this quite a bit smaller. We're gonna weigh them all here in a second so you can see the differences. This one I'm gonna set aside real quick. So this is a 100K double stack, just to give you some perspective. It's got very thin walls on the sides. That, as it is, weighs about 5 pounds. This lid is 1 inch thick. The weight should probably at least double with this lid. This lid weighs as much as this whole base. But like I said, we've cut most of the material out. So this one, like I said, will hold 100,000. You said you're gonna carry a lot of cash around with you. So it went to 9 pounds, 11 ounces. So just about doubled the weight. This lid is very heavy. So it's actually, I had some weight on the side, so it's actually 4 pounds, 15 ounces for the base, and the lid is just about the same. So let me set that down, and then I will zero out the scale. So a 25K, for perspective, is 5 pounds, 14 ounces. And the 50K is 7 pounds, 2 ounces. So this one's not that much heavier. I could probably reduce this one by 1 pound, maybe 2. I could probably do the same with this by making a little bit thinner lid. This lid is 1 inch thick. I could make that as thin as, say, 3/4 of an inch, and then remove a lot of these walls, making it much, much skinnier. You let me know how heavy is good for you. Optionally, if you'd like, I can have a handle installed as well. So if that's interesting to you or that will help you, or I could put a handle on the top, you let me know what you like or what you want to do, and I'll make it for you. Take care.